it is Efren the Marketer with another video. I am in the Disneyland of grown-ups, Las Vegas, Nevada. So today is Thursday, we just arrived and they hooked us up with the free suite. Not because we gamble a lot, no, it's because we gamble a lot. So I'm gonna show you the room. Here is the entrance. Just in case if you guys are trying to stay, I was trying to find a YouTube video that really showed this suite. Right when you walk into your right, you're gonna have a guest restroom, which is this one you see here. And honestly, I love this. It's so nice. Once you walk directly forward, you're gonna get on the left-hand side your mini fridge. You do get free coffee, which comes in a box. I hope it's free. I'm over here opening it. Yeah, so I think you get, so you got a whole coffee maker with cups, water, creamers, sugar, all that good stuff. This is pretty cool because before I felt a little iffy using the room's coffee maker. So you have a coffee maker, a little sink. Oh, it's pretty cool. You slide up and down. On the bottom you have a little storage space. You do have a mini fridge. I do have $1,000 in free food, so I might grab something from the mini fridge. Going more to the right, or yeah, going more straight from the first door, you have the couch, the view outside, the TV, and if you have to come to Vegas to work, you do have a nice little desk area with the phone, chargers, all the good stuff. I believe they hook you up. Oh yeah, they do. So they give you a little packet. It's called the ARIA Resort Casino, which is pretty much like your safety from COVID. So you get a hand sanitizer. You get 2 masks. And let me be straight honest with you. I came to Vegas right when it opened from COVID. So right when I came to Vegas, the first time that it opened from COVID, I was like, I ain't trying to wear a MGM mask. But to be quite honest with you, I took it home and now I use it every single day because it's a really nice material. You have like the slick smooth on the outside, and then you have the inside, which is like cotton that's supposed to hold the bacteria. So it is nice. I like it. It's definitely one of my favorites. I'm glad they gave us 2 again because I lost one of them that I took home. So yeah, you get that little packet for free. You got your desk, and they do take extra care of you, clean for your safety. To the right of the door, you do have a little kitchen set, which, you know, if you want to eat, you don't have to eat on the couch, kind of like the other rooms, or eat from your bed. Then we actually head to the bedroom where the sleeping happens, if there is any sleeping in Las Vegas. On the left hand side, you see you got a TV, you got a little counter, a little table, the view of the pool. So I wasn't aware of this, but if you're in the Sky Suites, our host told us that we have our own pool area where we don't have to share the pool with the ARIA people. So I don't know which pool it is, but I'm guessing it's probably that one that's super empty and nobody's really there. So that's the cool thing about staying at the suite. If you're trying to be safe, you know, you have your own pool. The bed is a king size. Ooh, yes. And then you can control everything from this little tablet. So since this is an actual video review of the Sky Suite, now you know the tablet doesn't work. I tried the other one, which is here, and it died super quick. So let me finish showing you the rest of the room. We left off here in the master room, and the first thing you get once you walk in, you do have these 2 giant doors. Let me close them to show you. So you have these 2 giant doors. You can go ahead and open one. Boom. Right when you walk in, you have a his and hers sink with some nice mirrors all the way to the top. It looks like you have a 15, 20 inch, it looks like a 19-inch Samsung TV if you're doing your makeup or whatever and taking a while. They do give you, shaving cream, face wash, shampoo, makeup removal. I do need toothpaste. So they hook you up with toothpaste, peppermint mouthwash, toothbrushes, super cool. They have a plant inside, which is, it looks, actually, it's a real plant. So they have a real plant inside. They have one of these. I hate looking myself in one of these because you can see all your pimples and stuff. Yeah, it's cool. Then you turn around, you have a giant 2-door mirror. You open it up and it's a closet. So that's the closet. It looks like they give you a towel basket, which is cool. A lot of places don't give you anywhere to put your dirty laundry, so they do here. Right in the middle of this little area section, I don't know what to call it. I guess the bathroom, since the bathroom's right here, which I'm about to show you. They have a nice bathtub, and I'm about 6'2". So the other door can open, so you can have both doors open at the same time. But I just kind of want to show you, because we just came from Utah, and the actual bathtub was really small. Here, I am 6'1", 6'2", and you can see how comfortable that is. You have a little towel for your bathtub. You got some bath salts. I remember when kids used to start taking bath salts as a drug. That was crazy, right? You got a nice little towel, cleaning bar soap, and to scrub yourself if you're actually in here to clean yourself or just to get drunk and relax or cure yourself from a hangover. That's what usually are really good. On the right of the closet, you have the restroom with the phone, just in case you're throwing up. Oh, they do have one of these. Rear cleansing, front cleansing dryer. I always wanted to try one of these. So this is one of the best places you can try a bidet. It's my first time using one of these, which I'm really scared. All right, let's do this. Oh, what the? So yeah, it has a bidet. Super cool, never used one. I should, instead of spending money on wipies. On the left-hand side of that, you have a shower. Huge glass door. You have a shower from the top. I really love when showers have this section right here. Our condo or apartment complex, our shower is huge, and it just has like a really extra space on the left-hand side where it's just kind of covering. I mean, there's really nothing. You can literally stand on one side and the shower won't even hit you over there. So having this extra little thing here where you can sit down, really cool. Again, if you're hungover, throw this on hot, sit down, get all the toxins out of yourself, right? So that kind of concludes our closet, restroom. So that kind of concludes everything in the restroom. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. It's also really early. I don't have the rights to play this song, even though I really wanted to play this song. I can't really play this song. My girlfriend's sleeping because it's super early. Babe, tell him to subscribe. Hurry.
What?
Tell him to subscribe. Hurry.
Subscribe.
Subscribe and like. You heard her. She's sleeping, guys. I did this for you.